Ali Ashgar and his opponent wrestling in the red singlet out of Kyrgyzstan. It's Alkham Abdirasulov. Coaches are seated, referees are seated, wrestlers are ready. We are underway here for the 55-kilo gold medal at the U17 World Championships. And that is not something you want to see for Ashgar this early in the match, giving up the 2.
Жаңы Honor хиттеринин бирин сатып алсаң, 1,5 сом кэшбэк берилет. Бөлүп төлөөгө алуудагы жеткиликтүү. О-Store дүкөндөрүнөн же О-Market'тен ал.
Points for the brutality, the caution and 2 given, and these guys come back together and they shake hands. Abdirasulov again getting headbutted, and these guys are going at it with everything they have. They have an understanding of what is on the line here. When you think about the wrestling nations of Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan with Nur-Sultan or Astana hosting multiple events. You talk about the World Championships, ranking series event, continental championships, and on the other end, the same for the great nation of Kyrgyzstan, hosting ranking series and Asian championships in the last few years. With legends coming out, the likes of Jalaman Sharshin Bekov, I Pyramided Kizi, Aysulu Tinabekova, Miriam Zhumanazharova, Akshul Makhmudov, just to name a few from Kyrgyzstan. As Abdirasulov is able to get the additional point coming on top, but did not get a turn. Just giving a shout out to some of these Kazakh athletes. When you think back to the Paris 2024 Olympic Games, it was Dameu Zadrayev out of Kazakhstan reaching the Olympic final. And it was Ashgar giving up those 2 brutality points that really changed the match. So he has to get his shoes. And now Ashgar again headbutting on the left side. And Abdirasulov maybe playing a little into it, being a little bit dramatic as he's keeping his head up. I don't think any of these are intentional. And after this match, we're going to go back to the medal ceremonies and hand out the first gold and bronze medals, these Athens World Championships. But it's first Ashgar getting the passivity point, so he moves to the top position to try and pick up a turn. Ashgar covers left side. Now it's a low-level gut. Which side is he going to go? Is he going to go right? Is he going to go left? Ashgar looking to go left, but he's going to run out of time. We're going to come back up to our feet with 73 seconds left away for Abdirasulov from Kyrgyzstan to try and become a U17 world champion. The challenge is lost. There were no fingers. 4-1 is the score. Short time left, and it looks like Kyrgyzstan will have a world champion at 55 kilos. It's Alkham Abdirasulov who takes the cake with a 4-1 victory. He is your 55 kilo world champion.